Good afternoon, y'all. Welcome back. It is a little bit after 2 o'clock. We just finished cleaning up the school stuff down here. John and Cece are done for the day, so they're going outside now. I got all the dishes done from lunch because I hadn't finished that yet, and I got laundry switched out. Manly's taking his nap. I gotta tell y'all about these. So if you missed yesterday's video, which was the grocery haul, I got these from Walmart. Everybody I have ever heard talk about these pretzels talks about how great they are. Well, I just started seeing them in our stores. I don't know. I mean, I just started seeing them probably a month or two ago, but I've never gotten them. We may have had them for longer than that, but that's just when I saw them. Anyway, never got them before because they're a little pricey. Are they worth it? I think so. I would definitely, I'm pretty sure I would pay $5 again for even just this size bag. They're the best pretzels I've ever had. Dot, she know what she doing with some pretzels. These things are good. They're great, y'all. They really are. Now, I've only tried the honey mustard flavor. I don't even know what other flavors there are, but they are great. I'm gonna have a few more right now. Here's what they look like. They're great. They have the perfect crunch. They're not so hard that they hurt your teeth to bite into them, but they're just right. The crunchiness is just right. They're great. How'd she do that? Dot came up with this in her home kitchen. Okay, y'all. 20 pretzel twists later. We gotta do some fruit prep. For real, I don't know if I ate 20 of them, but they are so good, y'all. Okay, so we're gonna cut this, which I'm not even sure what it is. The substitutions on my email, you know, when it told me it was substituting this, because I ordered a cantaloupe. They said they didn't have cantaloupe, but they had this. Sun-kissed melon. There's also another name on here, but I think that's the brand name. I don't think that's the name of the melon. Well, it says Mike's Melons right here. Hey Mike, look at he giving y'all a thumbs up. I got jokes this afternoon. Okay, we're gonna cut this sun-kissed melon and this pineapple that just bit me. These things are sharp. I gotta be careful with a pineapple. Let me get my pineapple cutter thing. All right, let's see what this sun-kissed melon is, y'all. Kind of smells like a cantaloupe. Is it one of those like white cantaloupes? Do y'all remember? My memory is bringing something back to me. We tried something a long time ago. I can't even remember what it was called or anything, but it tasted just like a cantaloupe, but it was white. I can't find my carrot chicken treat container. We'll put it in here for them. And you know what? I think we left it outside. We'll put these seeds in here for them. Chicken will be excited about that, and this turkey. It's still kind of loud out there, y'all. Let's see what we got here. It tastes just like a cantaloupe. It's just white. That's a good one too. I really gotta go to the farmer's market, y'all. We can definitely start going ahead and putting something in our grow bags. Now I was gonna go when we had spring break. Sun-kissed melon. Now the pineapple. Ow, I'm telling y'all, this pineapple is mean. It's a really pokey one. Done. Now I also need to wash some eggs. I think we have just about used up all the ones that I had washed. Let me see. I can't wait until we start getting all the colorful eggs. That's gonna be fun. I'm telling y'all, you can tell it's spring. I mean, just behold spring. Those chickens will keep you stocked up on eggs in the spring, I'm telling you. Now, we'll bring these up here. This is a double yolk turkey egg here. Y'all know what time she laid this egg the other night? It was at like 7:50 something at night. She's a nighttime layer. Now, this will empty out the basket. I'm gonna put my oranges up here, but I have so many eggs right now. We're having to use this whole thing for egg storage. Mr. Man woke up. You having a popsicle? What kind you got? Grape?
Yeah, great.
I have coconut. Sissy has coconut too. It's such a nice, peaceful day, isn't it?
Yeah.
It is so loud, y'all.
That's them cutting the trees down.
I'm not sure if Manly likes its popsicle. That's a sun-kissed melon, girls. Enjoy. Enjoy, Roosty. You better get you some right here. You know them girls, they're gonna eat it all before you get to it.
Do you like him?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, let him fly away.
Oh.
I got the horn.
Yeah, that's a pretty one, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right, we've got the little chickens out in the pen now. They still can't go out of the pen for several more weeks because there are some chicken hawks. We've been seeing them in the mornings especially. One bird, I'm not sure if it was a hawk or what, Sissy saw it, got a fish the other day. And as far as we know, we only had that one big bass left in the pond and we haven't seen him since. So thinking that some kind of bird got that fish. But yeah, I've seen some hawks around for like 2 or 3 times this week. Saw one this morning actually right over at the pond. I think maybe they didn't like that sun-kissed melon or the pineapple thing. I thought they would like that too, but I guess not. They might come back and eat it later. We need to find their chicken tray. Okay, y'all, I'm about to go ahead and start cooking, but first, I need to clean this Blackstone. Check out the pollen. All right, this isn't gonna take long at all. We have the hoagie rolls, beef smoked sausages, onion, pepper. I'm only gonna do 1 onion and pepper because Jacob and Tyler aren't gonna be here this evening until late. Titus, I talked to him on the phone just a minute ago. He's getting him something to eat now, so, because he's not gonna be home until probably like 8 or 9.
I help you?
You sure can.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm just gonna do 1 onion and pepper. I can probably get by with just 1 of these, but I'm gonna go ahead and make both of them. Whatever we don't eat, we'll just save it for tomorrow.
And this thing can roll.
You can?
Yeah, I can. And pepper is not good enough for Sissy.
It's not good. Yeah, Sissy doesn't like peppers too much, does she? She doesn't hate them anymore, but she still doesn't like them too much. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and make our sauce first before we slice everything up and start cooking it on the Blackstone.
There you go.
Thank you. We're gonna use mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, Worcestershire sauce,
Yeah, and this.
and this, red pepper flakes, and a little bit of brown sugar to make a sauce. Now you don't have to put the sauce on
And
it.
I was stepping in mud.
You stepped in mud?
Yeah.
You did, huh?
Yeah.
Don't worry, after we eat supper, it's bath time. Yeah, you don't have to put the sauce on them. You can just do the smoked sausage with peppers and onions, that's
Or
it.
this.
Yeah, but we're gonna put a little bit of sauce.
Ooh.
We're gonna go with about 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard.
Time for this.
Now time for that. Manly's gonna shake in the red pepper flakes. Go ahead, I'll tell you when. There we go, that's good. Now we'll put just a little Worcestershire sauce. That's about 1/2 teaspoon to a teaspoon there.
Yeah.
We'll mix all this.
Up.
Then we're gonna put in a little bit of brown sugar.
This is Rona. We are making food.
We'll call this the white sandwich sauce because it looks kind of white. That's probably a tablespoon, maybe just a little more than a tablespoon of brown sugar. We'll mix that in and that's it for the sauce is ready, Manny. Let's see how it is.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Are you ready for this, Manny?
Yeah.
It's about to start smelling good.
Yeah.
Peppers and onions. Right then, that's when that smell hit, that you're at Dollywood, you're at the fair, you're at somewhere that's grilling peppers and onions, making something. That is a beautiful smell. I feel like we're in the mountains. We're walking through Gatlinburg. Oh, just close your eyes. Close your eyes. Feel that breeze? That's a mountain breeze right there hitting you in the face. Now we're gonna toast the hoagie rolls too. Whenever the peppers and sausages are almost done, we're just gonna rub some butter on the Blackstone and toast the rolls. I'm only gonna do a few since we're the only ones here.